What's up everyone, Salam alaikum, ya hala shabab. Today's episode is about this FL5 Honda Type R, and we will be installing the HKS blow-off valve kit and the downpipes for the upper and lower stream. So stay tuned and we'll take you through this installation. So we're back, guys. I wanted to show you something regarding the HKS kit. Basically, this is the original kit with the full kit for the valve and the brackets and seals. It's inside here, and basically this is the blow-off valve. It comes with the instruction manual as well. This is the one. Comes also with the gasket. So this is what we will be doing today, to install this Raptor معلم. So we will be removing this back pipe to the turbo, and there are 4 bolts over here on the sides, in the back as well, and we need to reach this valve at the bottom to remove that. It's a difficult job, it's not easy. Some people remove the whole turbo and do the assembly on the turbo. So I've seen a couple of videos. My hands are small, so I'm gonna attempt to do it because I could reach over here, you see. You see, my fingers are, I can, if I loosen it, I can rotate it, you know what I mean? This one. And the other one is just down there. Anyways, I'm gonna be taking a video later on while I'm removing this setup, and we'll get on it. Stay tuned and keep watching. So that's the valve, guys. I managed to put my hands through, you see, the last one. I removed the first 2 nuts up, and see, I'm rotating it with my fingers down. The last one. And yeah. That's the benefit of having small hands. Yes. And that's it. She's out. The valve is out. So I just unplugged it from here, and then I'll just go ahead and remove it from down. Come on, baby. Okay, and she should come out just like that. Okay, easy peasy. Yep, we got the valve out, boys. Oh my goodness, there she goes. Whew. Yep. Anyways, I'm trying to catch that angle for the valve. Yeah, there she is. Oh, there she is, yep. So we are ready to install. Not yet, but I went ahead and removed the upper pipe. I tried to remove this from this. It was a little bit hard, so I went ahead and I removed it from this segment from here, and it was much easier. I just unplugged this one from here, pull it up, and then here I just pulled the rubber down from here, from this nozzle, and it came out nicely. And yep, let me show you the bolts. See how I kept them together. You see, so that I know what is what. So I'm gonna start with removing the covers, on top covers on the side, and then I'll try to lift the car up and then remove the under because I'm gonna be replacing this as well, so stay tuned. So I've removed the down pipe, and this is a bit bigger and better. And now, boys, we are swapping the cat and integrating the new cat. يا معلم. If you know, you know. هلا حبوب، فكينا الاكزوست كامل الحمد لله. سؤال، تبى انقل هذا الكفر وحطه هني ولا لا؟ شو رايك؟ حبوب انت ما فهمت علي. هذا الكفر اروم احطه هني، له مكان، فهمت؟ له مكان. اذا حطيته شي بيغطي، فهمت؟ بيغطي على الشعار، بيغطي على كل شيء. تبى شي ولا تبى هاتشي؟ هذا سؤالي. Alright boys, so we've kept the down pipe and the upper cat. MashaAllah, we'll send you a nice video so you guys can see. Okay, perfectly in shape. Beautiful. Excellent job. We've successfully kept it, and now I'm going to be putting this cover over here, this cover, and wrap it up. Yeah, that's the way. And then we put this, click it there for the 3 bolts. So I decided to go with the exhaust job first, the downpipe and the cat, and then I'll go ahead and do the valve first, and the blow off valve, and then the pipe, and then we're good to go.